Hi, welcome back to Auntie Knows Kitchen. We're still traveling on the Orient Express. Now we are moving on to my next Asian recipe for dinner today. Is lo mein, vegetable lo mein. I'm preparing dinner today for my family. So we're gonna get started in a minute. Get cooking. I got my wok already heating. You know your wok is really hot because you'll see a little light smoke coming up. And to this wok, because I want my flavors infused, now it's hot, so let me go and get this garlic in here. And you see it's popping like crazy because I guess it's turn it down a little. And you see I stepped back because I had it up a little too high. Because I don't want to burn my garlic. I didn't even think about that. Real time. Okay, got my ginger. This is 1 tablespoon of garlic to 1 tablespoon of ginger. Got my garlic browning. I'm going to add to this 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. This is low sodium soy sauce. This is not my sweet soy sauce. And to this, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of onion powder. That smells good. Okay. Now, with lo mein, you don't have to go out and buy the lo mein pasta. This is linguine, but your pasta needs to be cold and dry. You can't add hot pasta to make lo mein. Your pasta needs to be cold and dry. Remember when I said you throw stuff out the pan? Ish happens. Turn this back up now. Gotta add about a teaspoon of sesame oil. I had already pre-cut my veggies because I had already prepared for this. This cuts time. When I know I'm going to make something, I just going to pre-cut everything, pre-prep it. That's my squash and zucchini. The reason why this broccoli is not, because this is fresh broccoli, and I just steamed it. Because you know you don't want your vegetables soggy. Into this I have some cabbage and some carrots. And I'm going to be tossing all of this together, and I'm going to cook it down. And what I'm going to do is add a little more oil to it. I'm not going to use olive oil. I'm going to use vegetable oil, because olive oil doesn't really have a remember I said olive oil doesn't do well with high heat, and with the wok you're using high heat. And I'm going to get my dark soy sauce, because remember I said dark soy sauce is mainly really for color, not for flavor. Because if you use it for flavor, you mess up your whole dish. Because it's so thick. It's mainly for color. That's all I really want it for. I don't want this for flavor. because it's too potent to be using it for flavor. And the reason why it's sliding out so good because I had oil this inside of the spoon. Little housekeeping later. Now you know this is veggie lo mein, but you can add shrimps and chicken. You can add whatever you want to this. Let me see if I can. Much better. Now your pasta's already al dente. You don't ever cook your pasta till it's completely done. You don't ever want to do that. You need it just al dente because when you put in this wok with all this goodness, it's gonna cook some more anyway. You mainly just tossing it around to get these vegetables a little tender. Because to be honest, these vegetables are consumed raw when you eat them with you consume raw squash, zucchini, cabbage through coleslaw. And what I'm going to do, add a little black pepper. You know what I'm going to do here? Add your black pepper to taste. Gonna add a little regular salt. You need that iodine because I use a little sodium. Now, I am going to add, I do love the flavor of hoisin. Now, I can eat the pasta after I chop it up, but the vegetables, no. But remember, guys, I cook this stuff. My husband doesn't eat lo mein, but my daughter loves lo mein. She prefers lo mein over the fried rice. I always add a little hoisin. I love adding hoisin. Hoisin is, I don't know what it is about that hoisin. It's that hoisin sauce. So I'm going to let this cook a little bit more and I'll be back in a jiffy for you, but for me it's not.